In this video, I'll show you how to get the builder plan in Base44, step by step. First, open Base44 and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, go ahead and create one first. Once you are signed in, go to your dashboard and look for your account settings or billing section. This is usually where Base44 shows your current plan and available upgrade options. Click on the plan or subscription area, then review the available plans. Look for the builder plan in the list. Once you find it, click the upgrade or select button next to the builder plan. After that, Base44 may show you a pricing page with the plan details, features, and billing options. Then enter your payment information and complete the checkout process. Make sure all of your details are correct before confirming the purchase. Once the payment is successful, your account should be updated automatically and the builder plan should become active on your profile. If the plan does not appear right away, refresh the page, sign out and back in, or wait a moment for the upgrade to process.